Hi, I'm Saga. Thanks again for joining me here in the kitchen. Today we're going to make ginger juice. I love ginger juice and there's so many really good health benefits with ginger. It's an anti-inflammatory, so it can help with aches and pains. It's good for nausea. It's good for all kinds of stuff. Beautiful skin. It's good for that too. So in any event, ginger juice, what it is it's a mixture of ginger, lemon juice, and I use maple syrup because maple syrup does not affect your insulin levels. A lot of people use sugar. Whatever you want to use to sweeten it, that's fine. Use whatever. Anything you see me do, you can add, subtract, whatever to make it yours. So the first thing you do, you'll go into the store and get ginger root. I like it pretty strong. Ginger is a hot spicy, not hot like jalapeno hot, but like ginger hot. Like it's just a different kind of hot. If you know ginger, you know what it is. If not, it's kind of a refreshing hot. But in any event, I like to make my ginger juice kind of strong, and I like to make a decent amount of it so I can have it last me for several days. So the first thing you do, I take a pretty big hunk, but if you don't like it that strong, you don't have to get one that big. And then you peel it, and to peel it, cut off the end. Let's see there. And see, that's the inside, which is really lovely and smells wonderful. And then you can cut it into hunks and then just peel the brown part off, the root part off. So we're just chopping the brown part off here. And ginger also has, it's stringy. So when you cut, after you peel it, so you get like a nice hunk, then you cut it in slices this way, so because the strings go long ways, so you just cut it in slices that way. Make it all slicey. And then you're just going to put it in the blender anyway. So plop it all in there. And I'm going to cut some more. And again, peel. And there's all kinds of fun shapes to ginger. Yum. I love this stuff. It's so good. All right. And put it in the blender. So this is going to be really strong. I know I'm going to make it strong, but it's like I make it kind of like a concentrate. So when I make my drink, I do a drink with electrolytes and whatnot in it, and I'll pour some of this in my drink also, so you can add it to any beverage, or with the lemon in there. It's kind of like a lemon gingerade, which is really super good. All right, last hunk. Put that in there. Then you add about a quarter cup of maple syrup, or if you want to use sugar or whatever you want to use, it's fine. I usually just kind of wing it. But I'm learning how to measure because people like things measured. And then I add about a half a cup of lemon juice. If you have lemons come and go in the store and they can be kind of expensive. But if you have lemons, obviously peel it, and then you want to take a knife and cut out in the sections. You don't want the white stuff in there, so cut that out. And you can use, like, depending upon the size of the lemons, 1 or 2 lemons. I'm going to use about a half a cup of lemon juice. And it's not the reconstituted, it's the real pure lemon juice, because it makes a difference. And then I also do it after the maple syrup because you can swish it around in there and rinse it out. And then a couple of cups, like 2 cups of water. And then blend away. let it keep blending. It's going to be kind of pulpy because the ginger doesn't obviously liquefy, and it has the like the little, it would be kind of pulpy, just put it that way. But it's really good. So let's see how we did. And again, this is super concentrated. Oh, that's good. That's really, really good. So there is ginger juice, how to do ginger juice in a blender. And it's super duper healthy, and drink it every day and enjoy. Here's wishing you the best of health and happy cooking. Thanks again for watching my video. Please subscribe, like me, share me, pass me around. Thanks. Bye-bye.